What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys have been doing well. In today's video, I am at Keenan's house. Some of you might know him, but he's going to sort my exhaust out because it's hanging too low at the back now, because I fitted a new Polo GT or / 9-inch GTI diffuser to the back. So now there's a gap there for an exhaust is hanging too low. So he's going to be sorting that out for me today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I think it's going to be a short one, but hopefully I can get some like a shot of Keenan doing his thing. Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. So you guys can check the diffuser, and you guys see the gap here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little gap there. So you guys see this gap here. Now Keenan's gonna be sorting that out for us today. He's the man himself. Yeah, guys, if you guys need any welding, anything like that, I'll leave his details in the description below. I'll leave his Instagram, a link to his Instagram page, and a link to his Facebook page, and you guys can just slide into his DMs if you need anything. Because yeah, he's really good at it. So yeah, support the homie, and yeah, thanks. So we just cut the hole, like the tips off at the back, from the back box, and now we're just gonna make something up for us there. Should look good. So yeah, guys, the car is faulty at the moment, but don't worry. Slammed it, the lake is coming up. I wonder how many of you guys are going. It's gonna be a liquor show. It's gonna be a proper show. We haven't had one of those in I can't even remember how long. So it's gonna be liquor. And if you guys don't have your tickets yet, I suggest you get your tickets. Just check on Lowstad's Instagram page, Instagram or Facebook page, and see where they'll be selling, and yeah, contact them. But yeah, it should be a liquor show, and can't wait to see you guys. Can't wait to have the car on display. It is a few days later. I need to apologize. The camera died while Keenan was busy welding. Yeah, I mean, it would just literally just adjusted the tips up and brought it out a bit, because this new diffuser sits out a lot further than the normal stock one that just goes down again. But anyways, so this is how it looks. It looks a lot better because it was like the tips were hidden before we fixed it. Yeah, I know I didn't vlog installing the diffuser, but for those of you who would like to know how to take the bumper off, there are 2 screws under the tail light here. They sit under here, so you need to take the tail lights out, and then there are 4 screws or 4 or 5 screws in the side, on both sides, and that's it. And then the bumper comes out on sliders, and then you just need to remove the license plate lights, but you can do that from the inside once the bumper's off the sliders. And I mean, that's it. That's literally it. I like the look of it. It's a small change, but it looks good. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I know it's a short one, but I am trying to upload more content for you guys, and I am trying to stay consistent with the weekly uploads. Then I think the next video might be of us prepping the car for Slammed at the Lake, and then that's going to be next week Saturday, and then Sunday Slammed at the Lake. So I'll see how quick I can get that video out for you guys, because I will be vlogging as well. But yeah, it's a lot of little change that I'm doing to the car, mainly just because it's stuff that I've always wanted to do, and not actually me prepping for a show or something. But yeah, it's stuff that I wanted to do, and stuff that's been on my list of to do things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Stay tuned for more content. Stay safe, and peace out.